got more components on it. The doors
We're a little light on the left hand side. The doors.
Can this door actually open?
Yeah.
It's very positive. You're going to give me your blanket, Dozer? Oh, careful with the tail on the car. Come here. Keep your tail away from the car, Dozer. Yeah. Oh, that's like a new one. That's like 1972, 72? When it was new. Like there's no play and it's just... Oh. Were there wires running into here?
That's them there, I think.
Yeah, but they need to come out through
That, and then there's a wire underneath there, just a little tiny, just a little wee fella.
Okay, so I need to extend them. Look at that. Yeah, that'll settle once the boot sat on them for a while, hasn't it?
Yeah, but it's still lifting it.
Did I sort the door switch? I mean the start button?
No, not yet. No, we're just hot wiring at the moment. I just have to find the wires.
I have to remember how it goes.
Wires together and it'll start. A little gas, but we'll see.
That gearbox that's something in there that's got to come to bits and be fixed, eh? No, I don't think so. That it has to come apart.
Tony thinks that once I drive it a little bit, that should go away.
There ain't no way that's going away, man. That's not going away. Not going to go away. So you've spent all this money doing this little car up.
Yeah, and we're stuck with a broom on it to help it.
I need it up high.
Well,
I want it up high because I want to work on it. Put down the front in front here. Go down there.
it's only going to be in the head anyway.
So what's it? Is it going to have the proper hatch, or are you going to put some struts on it?
It's got struts for it. It's just that these are only on here temporarily, just to get them out of the paint shop. So they're just hanging there really.
Have you got some towels? I want some towels because I'm wearing a. See, I got a zipper. Otherwise, I have to take my zipper off, and it's cold. I can take my zipper off. I've got another jersey because I don't want to work on it with a zipper.
I don't want to work on
Isn't that funny? Yeah.
Yeah, so should we turn it off before we...
Yeah, let's turn it off. It looks good though, eh? Mate, I've just been working on methanol, so... Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these injectors out. I'm going to get that box over there. And I'm going to put the 5.0 injectors in it. Dial it down to... Dial it from whatever size this is to 750s.
Yep.
Bang, start it, and it's...
Hopefully it runs.
Not hopefully, it's going to...
It runs on all four.
And it, yeah. It runs on all four now, quite nicely.
Yeah. So this will be the test.
These were factories, eh? Like 360s or something? Okay, what I'm going to do is I am just going to change the fuel injector sizing. Instead of, that all looks good, injector setup. So instead of 360s, we're going to 750s. Numbers are fucked up though. Fuck that shit. There's no way I should have those numbers in there.
The what?
I'm at 100. My numbers are at 100 to make it idle. To give it some base fuel. It's not right. They're lean. It's telling me that they should be 750cc injectors. See what I can do. Well, it runs. It's on all four.
Yeah, well, there's more than what they were before, wasn't there?
They wouldn't run on all four before, but they are definitely on all four now. But they're not, like the numbers are twice as big as I expect them to be. Meaning the injectors are either half the size or something else is up. But the other ones ran fine. For a start, I think I need some sustenance. These are broken.
Yeah, they are.
The ends are broken off.
Yeah.
Yep. I bet you they're really expensive. They're okay.
Anyway, what's the I told you so moment?
Okay. So I had the old one set up as 260cc injectors,
Yep.
and it started and run.
Yep.
And I've got it on model fueling. So if I have it on model fueling, I'll tell the ECU what size the injectors are,
Yes.
and the map generates the desired mixture. And the computer then assumes in some ways that the mixture that is being generated is the target mixture. And if I go putting bigger injectors in, I type in 750, and the computer then compensates and adjusts all the fueling so it is as it was with the 360s.
As it was, what it was.
You got it?
Yeah, no. Yeah.
Okay, so if I take the 360s out and I put the 750s in, and I have,
Take the old ones out, put the new ones in.
they were 360s.
Okay. Yeah.
So I take the 360s out and I put the 750s in, and I adjust it to 750s. But then I have to double the numbers in the fuel map to maintain the correct mixture.
I guess.
Well, I shouldn't have to. It should just work
Yeah.
if they are indeed 750.
I'm not following. But anyway, like I said.
I haven't finished it, so you're not following.
Yeah.
That's because you're a baker, and this is quite nice white chocolate. You make the coach, I fix the cars.
Yeah.
Okay, so if I have a map and it says 360cc injectors, and I fit supposedly 750cc injectors,
Yeah, everything should adjust to
no, and I leave it as the 360cc injector settings.
go really rich.
You'd think it'd go really rich. What if it starts up and runs the same?
One would assume they're 360 injectors. Or the Mac is the ECUs in the job. And allowing for stuff.
No, but I haven't changed the settings. I left the same settings as 360s, and it now runs with supposedly 750cc injectors just the same. So two things are possible.
And not 750 injectors.
Or they're not 360cc injectors. So either my standard injectors were actually a modified set of injectors, or the modified set of injectors are not modified and are actually a lot smaller than they say they are. As such, I still don't know which one to trust. But I've got it running nicely on the injectors that you purchased.
Which is supposedly 750s.
Yes. Exactly the same map. It is a little bit rich, but I'm not sure how rich it compares to the old one because I didn't have the laptop attached on the old one, but exactly the same map, two sets of injectors. One's meant to be twice as big. Twice as big, and it runs just the same. It should be running. I have not adjusted anything in the map. So I came just to pop some injectors into it. I've ended up connecting number plate lights. Shortening wiring looms. Shortening a wiring loom up under there, which was a whole lot of fun. Thickening the start button, and a buzzer, and I put the injectors in and ended up taking them out, and they're away to be tested. Well, another day, and we'll do the injectors. Yeah, you see, no injectors fitted. But it has been a successful day, and another couple of jobs ticked off the list. Is that right, Dozer?